Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and we just got through doing a video for this elephant. Now we're going to do a giraffe, and I'm going to do this one a little bit different. I'm going to take the outside line, and I'm going to click on red. I'm going to go down here and make it a hairline. So there's our outside cut line. I'm going to make the one easy thing to do. You can group all these together. Right click on black, go down here and double click on them, and let's make them a half a point. And then, so that would engrave, and this is going to cut, but he needs a contour, so I think we'll go to effects and contour 0.25 in black. So there's our contour. Go up to the object, contour apart, take the outer one and move it over. Now you see what the problem is, because this is going to be the actual size of the wood. Let's color this in with yellow. And, well, it's not a complete object, so let's just take it and make it yellow. And let's go up to object, order, back a page, so when we put it on top, you can still see the graphic. Now what's going to happen, the ear's probably okay, the eye and the nose are okay, but any part on the outside, it's going to engrave and stop. And let's say his wood, which we already know is that size, and even if the CNC laser's off a little bit, you need to probably do this, so let's put that back. So the ear's okay, most likely. And this is if you weren't gonna fill these in, but it would be the same process as we did the other night. Let's take the shape tool, click on that line, and just make that line, even go to there, because it's an engravable line. And then that way, if the wood's not fitting in the jig perfectly, at least it will engrave to that part. And it would be the same thing whether you're going to engrave it or vector engrave it, because this would be the same thing. If you wanted to vector engrave it, and this would be a good one to do, because this is going to take quite a while to run. So let's move this giraffe out of the way, and let's take all these lines and tell you what, let's take our color away. Let's take all these lines, double click on them, and turn them into a hairline, but black. So once you had done the other part, and I don't know if I'm going to take the time to do it. I'm grabbing the other objects. I want this yellow, because that's going to be the size of well, we actually do need that outer one. Once you have your lines past your wood, sometimes Corel, if you double click on something, it'll actually delete it. And see what I'm doing, I'm going past the line. You don't even have to be, too careful about getting them perfectly straight, but you need to do it on both sides. And I'm making sense. I'm going a little fast. I would probably do a little bit better job. But this way it's going to engrave past the wood and make sure it's all marked. And I'm going to do a couple more, and then we're going to look at something else. And now this would vector engrave in like 10 seconds. Because you could, after you have this cut out, this would vector engrave in 10 seconds. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.